Hi guys, salam, እንዴት ናችሁ? How's everybody doing? Okay, ዛሬ ደግሞ በተመሳሳይ ፕሮግራም ተገኝቻለሁ. We're doing our fun IQ test. እስቲ ስለ ራሳችን ምን ያህል ትንሽ እናውቃለን የሚለውን ራሳችንን መገምገም ማለት ነውና ጥያቄዎችና መልሶችን አዘጋጅቼ መጥቻለሁ. I got the question and the answers. Let's figure it out together, guys. All right. Okay, number 1, I have the question, what is the body's largest organ? From our human body, which one is the largest organ? ነው የሚለው የትኛው የሰውነት ክፍላችን ነው በጣም ትልቅ ድርሻ የሚይዘው ከባዲያችን እንደዛ ነው ማለት ነው የሚለው አንደኛው so the A side brain, B side liver, C side skin. So if you guess a skin, that is the correct one. Our skin የትልቁን ፓርት ይዛል ማለት ነው ቆዳችን. All right. Okay, number 2 question. አሁንም ጥያቄዎቹ ዛሬ it's almost our anatomy ስለ ባዲያችን ነው ማለት ነው የሚያተኩረው. it's all the questions are all almost about anatomy. Okay, number 2, I have it said how many bones are in the human body? How many bones are in the human body? Okay. በእኛ በሰውነታችን ውስጥ ቦን አጥንቶች ስንት አጥንቶች ይገኛሉ ነው የሚለው ጥያቄው. Okay, A 106, B 206, C 306. Okay, if you say that 206, yeah, that's the correct one. 206 አጥንቶች በሰውነታችን ውስጥ አሉ. Okay, number 3, what is bones need to grow? Okay, እነዚህ አጥንቶቻችን ለማደግ ምንድን ነው የሚያስፈልጋቸው ነው የሚለው. What bones need to grow? Okay, is it sugar? ጣፋጭ ማለት ነው ስኳር. B calcium, C iron. Okay, which one do you think? If you say calcium, that is absolutely correct. So, and then calcium, we can get it from cheese, milk, እንደገና ደግሞ ከቬጅቴብል ፓርት ደግሞ if we eat broccoli, you know, everybody can get that, right? As simple as that. Broccoli, it helps to grow our bones, so we should keep eating broccoli. I know it's hard to eat. Okay, number 4, what do the letters IQ means? እዚህ ላይ IQ በኮቴሽን አርጌ እንደምታዩት what does it stand for? IQ means. Okay, is it incredible quest? A, B, is it intelligent quotient? What do you think it means? If you say intelligent quotient, that is the correct one. So today, that's what I got. I hope you have a wonderful day and have a blessed and lovely day. መልካም ቀን. So make sure that don't forget to subscribe me. I'll appreciate that, okay? Thank you. Bye.